Hey guys, welcome. Technical video here. In this video, I am going to show you how you can clear your iPhone RAM and boost your iPhone speed with a simple trick in a one click. RAM is most important part of any device. It may be your PC, laptop or any smartphone. If you are using your device to high extent, so there is a lot of load or pressure on your RAM. So significantly it will slow your device. Okay, so for that in this video I will show you how you can clear your RAM in an iPhone with a simple click. For that we require this application called CPUX. You can download it from your app store. It's easily available. Basically, CPUX is a diagnostic app where you can run multiple tests for your device. It may be your sensors, compass, performance test, speed test. Also, you can get a testing for your camera, sound quality or a color display on your screen. So it's a complete package for your device, and also it will give a complete report of your device. It may be processor, memory, battery as well as your storage capacity. Okay, but for now we require to clear RAM, right? For that, this simple trick, just go to memory. Okay, this is for your RAM, and as you can see on screen it will display your RAM capacity. It's a 2 GB. I am using iPhone 7, so it is a 2 GB RAM. Okay, and it will show you how your RAM is used. Okay, so now to clear, just click on free up and it will start clearing your RAM. As you can see on screen, it's saying restoring memory, so it will clear a RAM. And if you see here, and it says successfully freed 332 MB from your device. I hope this will make a device much better than what it was earlier. And also this application has a beautiful widget from where you can track your device performances like your storage, your network speed, your CPU usage as well as your battery. I hope this video was helpful for you. Everyone should have this application so they can keep a track of their device performances. Okay, and if you like the video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.